Welcome back, my viewers and my subscriber. Today up on the dusty dirt road, upper retreat. Yeah, we're up on upper retreat. Walk on. Yeah, and we're gonna take a look on the bridge. Hopefully we can see some heavy unit. I traversed the bridge this morning because I want to see how the big unit them manage that bridge, you know. So they are upper retreat and it's a nice, cool, sunny, blazy morning. Yeah, sun is out and you know, Jamaican weather, place look nice. So we have to walk and go down on the bridge. And we have a look at the vehicle them, but especially would I love to see how the heavy unit them traverse this bridge. So stick and stay. Welcome back, my viewers and my subscriber. Today up on the dusty dirt road, upper retreat. Yeah, we're up on upper retreat. Walk on. Yeah, and we're gonna take a look on the bridge. Hopefully we can see some heavy unit. I traversed the bridge this morning because I want to see how the big unit them manage that bridge, you know. So they are upper retreat and it's a nice, cool, sunny, blazy morning. Yeah, sun is out and you know, Jamaican weather, place look nice. So we have to walk and go down on the bridge. And we have a look at the vehicle them, but especially would I love to see how the heavy unit them traverse this bridge. So stick and stay. So my viewers and subscriber, as you can see, I see like a trench that built on the side there. The water come down towards the bridge. Me hear one bike. Me hear something like a bike come up the road. Then I saw the bike man them ride on the road there. And I tell you, whoa, watch out, you see that? Whoa! Boy, they must have ride so hard, God. Why me I tell you? This place is, the road is just a mess. And the riders them and the youth them I talk to, you can watch my channel. You need to go easy on the road, star. Yes, some of viewers and subscribers, I tell you, boy. I'm up on the road, I'm the right of the bridge. The right of the bridge. So I go take a spot where I can get the video. Because I want to see when every unit I come through that bridge and all them. This bridge don't really complete as complete. The road not really complete, but the bridge seems like it's up and running. I remember them they divert the vehicle them through the around. Well now them make them actually now use the road. So them no longer divert them. So them actually use the road now. So we are going to give you some update and make you see how the vehicles them use the road. But we really and truly want to catch some. Alright, morning. So we really want to catch some big vehicle. I drive on the road because we want to see how them really traverse this leg of the road at this bridge. So stick and stay, people. Big Super is out here all day. I mean now start till I catch a big vehicle I drive on the road for me to see how them come through it. Yeah, my viewers and sub, I see a trucker come, so I go up on the other side of the bridge. Because I want to see when they come through the bridge. So, my viewers, if you look way down in the distance, you can see a truck. You can see a truck approach. Yeah, my viewers and sub. So we're there because we want to see how them use the bridge. So, we're there on the opposite side of the bridge that them can come through. So you can see how the truck navigate through this bridge upper retreat. Them just opened back this road recently because them used to use the detour. But now this road fully in driving mode. It's not asphalt as yet, it's dirt road. But vehicle them still use it. And we are going to heal up the truck man. Alright, blessing. So you see the truck man give you a heel and him gone up the road. He come through the road nice and decent and thing. So yeah man, so the truck man just come through the bridge people and take him time, and that's the way a truck really and truly to come through the bridge. So we are going to stand up here, we're there all day, and we are going to look if we see some more truck I come through the bridge. Yeah, my viewers, so I ride, I just go to the bridge. Yeah. I saw you ride bike through the bridge. I saw you, matter of fact, I saw you ride bike on the road. Yeah man, so I appeal to the youth them where I ride bike. When you're not riding a bike, please put on the helmet. I appeal to you. I just, when the body out there, when you have nothing else to really buck up in and I must remember, you know, when you have to take it easy on the road. Some of you are subscribers, truck come, you have to walk fast to go up on the next side of the bridge. So, now almost up on the next side of the bridge, people. I want to see how it look when that truck, yeah. We want to see how that truck can negotiate to come through the bridge. Yeah, thumbs up. You see that? The viewers and some, the big unit come through the bridge. I never have no issue. So, them open the new road, but they not pave it yet, upper retreat, and we just spend a day here and I show you how the truck them navigate to come through this road, to come through the bridge. And further down the road we have another big vehicle I come through the bridge, and we are look at, you know, how the heavy unit them, not especially the car them, but how the big vehicle them navigate the bridge at upper retreat. Yeah, so we see a trucker come through the bridge and him a come through very cool and nice. Bless up. Yeah, my viewers and stuff. So this is the truck man them come through the bridge, the rider them are going through the bridge, and the detour open upper retreat. And so far the big unit them we are come through because we're concerned because you know St.Thomas have a lot of big vehicle, a lot of heavy duty vehicle. So we just feature the big vehicle them today coming through the bridge. Yeah, my viewers and subs, so all a funeral procession I come through the bridge. So you see it, my viewers and subs. All type of people, all type of vehicle I come through the bridge. So we are go up on the next side, my viewers. We walk up on the next side because we see like it's a big vehicle, not really a big, it's a bus. I think it's more like a bus. Yeah, so we just look how the vehicle them traverse through this bridge here. Yeah, and we see a bus come through it, and it not come through it bad, people. Look on it. Come through it, and we give it a thumbs up. Yeah man, come through it nice and smooth. Just come through the bridge, upper retreat. As I tell you them, open the road, open the bridge, and we just look how the vehicle them traverse this road here. Yeah my viewers, so we're back on the next side of the bridge, we come back on the other side. And we don't have no whole lot of traffic today like that. It was one of the days when we don't have no whole lot of traffic, but we are stick around to see the heavy unit them when they come through the bridge. So my viewers, we are running back on the next side of the road because we see a big truck come from the opposite direction and we want to catch it. We want to see it when it come through the bridge. So stick and stay. Yeah, so we reach on the opposite side of the bridge and we are show you see that big orange color looking truck there come up the road. So we are going to see how it navigating coming through the bridge. Remember it's a dirt road, the road no asphalt as yet and thing. And boy, may I tell you, anyhow, the road no asphalt as yet, my viewers and stuff. So you see how the vehicle them and navigate through the bridge and thing. You see that truck here mark man pan it. If you come through the bridge, upper retreat, yeah, no go on good. Thumbs up driver, thumbs up. Yeah, when come to the bridge, my viewers and stuff. And him not do bad, him come to the bridge alright, and big super there. We're up on the bridge and we just try to highlight not really the cars them, But the bigger unit them where I come through this bridge in an upper retreat. Oh, we have a next big unit. I come through the bridge, my viewers and sub. Yeah man, I will just look today and how the dirt road, but they won't meet back, so we no longer go through the community retreat. We're coming back on the main road, because this was the original main road. Remember, this road underneath construction, but we still can't use it. So you see we have a small truck coming through, and they come through in a fine style. Big up yourself, yeah, my viewers and sub. So you see, the small truck, him just come through the bridge, and him come through in a fine style. So it's drivable. Yeah, it's not the best. I mean, with a lot of feet pave. We don't know when them all get around to paving it. But for now, the big unit them, I use the bridge and them will come through in a fine style. Yeah, on the bridge, on the other side of the bridge, I would say a small unit, small truck will come through it. So we just look how it navigate the bridge here, because you don't know the bridge underneath completion. Them do to divert the vehicle them, go over the next side, but them no longer divert them. Now the traffic will come through the road there. Free and nice. Alright. Traffic will come through the road there free and nice. So look at truck they come through quite smooth and alright. So the viewers and sub, we don't really have no much complication with this bridge. It's just for the road now asphalted and things get smooth and nice around this side here. And we don't know by standing up here if we can find anyone to talk to and things. But we keep on look at the bridge. Morning. We keep on look at the bridge and I show you what and how the vehicle them come through the bridge, and especially the big unit them. There's not a lot of big unit on the road this morning. And so we don't want to see the big unit them come through the bridge. My viewers and subscribers, I talk to a driver right at the bridge. So, and what you say to the bridge?
The bridge already yet, man.
So what you say need to be done? You mean away from the asphalt and all them stuff there?
Them bridge are the door wide and them thing there.
Alright, no say nothing. Take care, because we don't want you block up the road.
Alright, no say nothing.
Peace. So I catch a motorist a while ago up on the road, and he complain, he say the bridge did one wider, but I don't know. I can follow up the comment section with viewers and sub and let me know what you think about the bridge. So my viewers and sub, we have another truck. I come through the dusty dirt road there, right through the bridge. And we just make gonna see how the truck them navigate this bridge here. Yeah, my viewers and stuff. So see him come, yeah, I come through. Yeah man. And then you kinda pick a safe spot and then I come through, so I give the old thumbs up. Alright. Give him the old thumbs up, my viewers and some. See him come to the road and him gone. There's only one problem around here, people. Dust. Dirt and dusty bridge. But it's drivable. Car come through it. But most of all, the truck them come through in a fine style. Yeah, my viewers and some. So my viewers and some, you see one of my brethren truck, yeah? You see one of my brethren truck. It's a water truck. It supply a good portion to that side of St.Thomas, yeah? And we have a look how him come through the bridge. And we see another big unit way behind him. So we have some big unit coming up for you guys. See how them come through the bridge. So stick around, people, and follow me. Yeah, so you see how him come through the bridge, people. Him take him a little time because him have the water upon him back. Him have the weight and him come through the bridge, up a retreat. Yeah, him come through fairly good. Him come through fairly good. Yeah. Bless up yourself. Alright. So you come through fairly good. Trim and move slow. The vehicle them overtake him time and move slow. Yeah man, so him come through the bridge, my viewers and some. Him come through the bridge and him come through in a fine style and him give him 20 man and acknowledge Big Super, so stick and stay. Yeah, so you see the detour road people. Them detour around. Yeah, people them detour around. People still a drive on the old road. The big trucks still a drive around on the old road, see the people. Yeah, some people, you don't know if I know them, don't know so the bridge open now, but you still have vehicle that drive around the old road like them don't know. So them can come through this road because maybe them used to driving around that side. So them still turn down at the bottom of the road and come around, but they might not realize that the new road open, you know. So them open this side of the road where you can use the bridge. So I just one of them things. If you know coming in the community a good while now, you might never realize. But the bridge open and up and running. Yeah man. The bridge open and up and running people, so stick around. You can use the bridge in a retreat. Yeah man. Driveway fairly good, it's a dirt road. Yeah. Just stand dirt and thing, but St. Thomas people used to it and take them time and go through the road and go about them business. Some viewers and subscribers, I'm going to put the old dusty dirt road bridge. I'm going to bring the bridge to an end. But I hope you enjoy that little feature I'm going to put on the retreat bridge. Yeah, I'm going to try to see if I can catch enough big unit, but no simple I catch now whole part big unit with the time of day when we come out and all these things, you know. But we bring to you guys, make you say them no bother with the detour for go through retreat now, so them up on the main road back, so them come through the bridge now 100%. Well the bridge itself complete, but the road now asphalt and the drains them not really finish up and all these things, you know. But people I use it and it work out alright. It's a dirt road. We don't know how long them going to take before them asphalt it. I hope them come soon in the future, come asphalt it and that people can drive on it smooth and nice and decent. For now, Big Super out in Upper Retreat, and you know, people just do the right thing. Just like, share, subscribe, you know, just recommend a friend to join the Super family, you understand? Me also have, if you look down at the link down in the description, you can purchase any one of them items there for Big Super. From my Amazon account, you can go over there and down in the description, you see me have an Amazon account, you can go down and you can purchase an item and stuff, you know. So, take care of yourself until we meet on the next road blog. Big Super out in Upper Retreat, St. Thomas, saying drive good, riders wear a helmet, pedestrian and motorcyclists and people who ride, just try to stay safe on the road. Big Super saying peace out.